Hello. Now we are going to discuss about gutters. So, what is a gutters in Bootstrap? Means sometimes we are seeing gaps between two columns or three columns, and sometimes we are seeing gaps between vertical columns. So, those are called as gutters. So how gutters are seeing means you can see this one. This is one column and this is another column, and here there is a space that is called as a gutter. So sometimes we can call horizontal gutters and sometimes we are calling as vertical gutters. So you can see gutters are the gaps between columns content created by horizontal, and how we are resolving means padding right, padding left, all these things earlier we were using. So now we will see practically how we can create a gutter and how we can avoid such kind of gaps. So let us see and take this example and create one gutter example. Gutter lesson 1 dot html, and copy paste the code from sample code. We can copy paste because we need some sample. So I am copy pasting and I am removing the unwanted code. So this one only I am removing body of the content. So these are the header part we need. This much only we need. So let us create our gutter program. So div dot container. Very first statement, div dot container we have created. Then columns we need to create. So div dot row, div dot row we have defined, div class equal to row, and mb3 margin bottom 3 you can define, bg1, or after some time we can create bg color and all. First row we are defining, and next div dot call, we can create div dot call, and inside this div dot bg primary and p3 text white, I think. So here we have to create div dot class dot bg primary, div class primary and bg primary and p3 and text white we can define, and here you can define columns we can define. Next one more column we can define. I defined one more column, div class columns bg primary. Next we can define we can define this copy paste. You can copy paste and here you can see what you are going to get it. You can make it as live. So we got 4 columns because of this. So columns column 1, we can define column 1, column 2, column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Now it is looking, background is plain white, so we can define this one. This logo is coming from, because while I was recording it is coming, it will disappear, no problem. So I'll write some background color. So come here, inside container you can write bc info and empty 5 you can define. So you can see the color, background color, we got it. And gutters also you are able to see. Gutters we can define. So whenever we find some gap, we can define some gutter. So here row MV3 we have defined BC warning. Next horizontal 10 GX 5 you can define, and same thing you can define in another row. Now you can see background color has come and gutters, some gaps we are coming, but these are overlapping. So whenever these kind of overlap occur, then what we have to do is GX5 we defined at the container level. You can define PX4 so that overlap you will not be able to see. Now see, overlap is not there. Now again I will remove PX4. You will be able to see the overlap. Here some white space is there and here some white space is there. So whenever such kind of overlap is coming, you can define PX4 so that it is perfectly alright. Background has come and this one is a gutter has been fulfilled. So this is how we are defining, and column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. Only the thing is I defined a gutter at row level. Okay, so if you are defining at column level, it will come. So this is how gutter can be defined. Whenever overlap occur, we can define with we can overcome with the PX4. Suppose GX5 I have removed for first row. So here some gaps are occurring, and here if I remove, you can see these many gaps are there. So to overcome this, I defined gutter. Then it is, earlier we are using padding left, padding blah blah we used to do, but now we are not doing that. Gutter only we defined. That is the reason GX class, gutter class, can be used to control the horizontal gutter widths, and the container horizontal may be need to be adjusted if larger gutters are used to avoid unwanted overflow using a matching padding utility. So basically in earlier time we were using as padding left, padding right, and so length of the width or something like that we were using. Now because of this gutter GX5, so it is resolving our solution. So that is the reason they have defined GX5. So if you are seeing this gutter, that gaps will be fulfilled. So this is how gutters are used. You can refer this website, you will be able to understand. And vertical gutters also will be there, and horizontal gutters also will be there. So you have to define gx gx5, and whenever some overlap is there, you have to use px4, px3, something like that. You can use it. So we have done in this session, we have learned only gx5 and px4. Rest of the things are repeated statements only. This is about a gutter, horizontal gutter. Thank you.